welcome to part 2 of our time in Bahia del Sol. While there was no kid boats with us for quite a while, we had our friends on Malolo and Epiphany who were awesome with our kids.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm soaked in 2 seconds.
I got wet from being downstairs.
Oh man. No, I'm dry.
Oh yeah. See?
I'm still dry. You are wet.
I know. Yeah, this is what, well, it hit 45 knots a few times. That's what it looks like out there right now.
Is that ready for go sailing?
Oh, you're sailing in?
Let's go sailing. It's gonna win. Yeah.
Snazzy part of El Salvador, and we get to partake in a snazzy house.
Cool.
This is Lynn and Lou's house. They are a couple of expats and they have this beautiful home with a pool that they were letting cruisers come hang out in every Sunday.
Do it.
Really? Too cold? What do you mean? That's not a thing.
What?
What'd you think?
I liked it.
How was it? How do you have to hold on?
Like that.
Yeah.
It, you know, it like hurts like right here. But I'm.
Okay, so what was more fun, wakeboarding or tubing?
I don't know. Both.
I think we can make a bridle. And we
What
can
was different about it?
Tubing, you have to do less work, but wakeboarding you have to do a lot of work.
Did you feel like you're gonna fall off?
Yeah, a lot.
Would you go again?
Yeah, I'm gonna go again later.
Okay, good.
I need to go get a cupcake.
A cupcake. Hi. What do you think?
Cool. I made that fire. Well, not that big one, but
This is a huge fire. Happy 4th of July! We can't even see everybody. Ready?
these are the seizure ones, and
Yeah.
right.
Ow! It hurt!
Tell the camera how many knots we just saw.
Well, that was just 30, but we saw 48 earlier. So,
It like made the whole boat heel.
yeah, at a dock. It was crazy. Here we are in El Salvador at the dock, and I came out to this. We have a swarm of honeybees. So tell me what you're doing, Tyler.
Removing the teak.
No, you're removing the varnish.
Removing the varnish. And whatever. I don't care about the blades.
So how do you do it?
You heat it up until it bubbles. It's hard to get on camera. I can barely even notice the bubbles. And then you scrape it off.
And then a little
And then later you have to sand it, and then you have to paint it back on.
Yep.
All out in the El Salvador heat.
So how long do you think this is going to take you?
Like a week.
And what do you get for it?
$200.
I don't know. That's a lot of money.
Yeah, that's like the only reason.
I don't know. Maybe we should take it down. Do you have to buy your own supplies? I think you have to buy your own supplies.
The only way I'm motivating this is like I'm like Tyler, $200. Tyler, $200.
Alrighty. We'll check back with you in a little bit. See how it's going. Alright, for the past 2 days I have been working on the first part of the solar mount that we're putting on our dinghy davits. So it's just a beam thrown out here. Add some neat strappage here to keep it from coming out, because basically these bolts were existing holes on the dinghy davits, and I felt like they were just going to strip out. There wasn't a lot of meat there, so put some new straps in there to hold them in place. And it is hot out here. And the whole time I've been out here working, Tyler has been scraping all the varnish off, getting ready to reseal our tow rail.
Hi.
Having fun?
No.
No. I know, it's hot and it's work.
Well, it's not that hot right now. It's overcast and windy.
I know, this is actually probably the best day yet,
Yeah.
right?
Saturday sucked. There was no wind, no clouds, and it was like 130 degrees.
And the solar panels arrived today. So now I just need to figure out and make the bracket to get those 4 panels up on top of the davits.
I worry that now our boat is gonna be like that much longer. And our boat is big enough already. So now he's
Men are never worried about being too long.
Anyway, he's very busy down here with our new solar panels.
Are you filming or are you just taking a picture?
I'm filming.
Oh, hi YouTube.
So what are you doing now?
I'm rubbing teak oil on it. I've already put on a layer last night. It's not really that hard. You just wipe it all on.
Yeah.
Just wipe it all on.
How long has this whole process taken you?
A week? How many? Like 7 days maybe?
Yeah.
7, 8? I don't know.
Was it more work than you thought?
Yeah. I mean, I knew it was going to be a lot of work. I just didn't realize how hard.
Yeah. But you did good. You've been sticking with it. You've been working.
Yeah. Do I get paid today?
Maybe.
I mean, we don't know how many coats we're going to put on. And I want to, you know, get a game before we leave for Guatemala.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm putting the last solar panel in, which is so we built the frame for it, and now we got the solar, and then I got to wire them all in, so there's still going to be a couple more days before we have solar. But it's going to be a lot, 1,300 watts.
That is a lot. It's like ridiculous. Another day, another storm.
30 knots right now.
30? It's still daylight out here. Well, this is fun all of a sudden.
invited us out to Tasajera to see how local women make these really amazing bags and wallets. It ended up being a really fun girls' day, and I bought my most favorite bag ever that I use every single day.
That's coconut.
Let me see it.
And,
Very cool.
and it has a zipper so you can open it. Ta-da! So, and there's these like glittery rocks. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera.
Cool.
It has like cool stuff in it.
So this is a lot to bring to
Maybe I can give my fan to the little lady too. I have a fan.
I'm taking a video.
Why?
Well, because, you know, we're eating out and that doesn't happen that often.
Yeah.
Also, have you seen the sun over here?
Whoa.
Whoa, it's bright.
And please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.